Good morning, everyone. It is Monday and I literally just woke up. That's why I sound like I ate a horse. I told myself if I get up in time that I would go to body pump, and if I didn't, that I would just get some good rest. I woke up at like 8:15, so I guess we're going to body pump because class starts at 9:15. Yesterday was my son's birthday. I ate horribly. We had a time last night. No, I'm just checking. So my son turned 8. We went to this place called Urban Air, which is like a trampoline park. All his cousins came and we went to the mall. We had Chinese. I had Chinese food, pizza, cupcakes, carrot cake, a whole bunch of nonsense. People always ask me about my teeth. It doesn't matter the toothpaste, but I usually go for Arm & Hammer because I like the clean. It has like a grittiness. That grit makes my teeth really smooth. It gets rid of surface stains. But taking it further, baking soda. I use baking soda. Just take my toothbrush, dip it, and get to work. Yeah, last night I was exhausted. I didn't wash my face properly, so I started off with micellar water from any brand, and then I'm gonna do La Roche-Posay Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash. La Roche-Posay has been currently my go-to brand, and this is the Foreo Mini, Luna Mini 2. And I want to make sure my skin is clear before I go sweat it up. Yeah, but I had all intentions of sleeping until I was done sleeping. I woke up at dang 8:15, so I was like, oh, I guess that's good. At least I slept until I was done. I have some time to go to the gym. So I'm going to body pump absolutely fasted. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because I have more than enough glucose stored to get me through this body pump class and then some. When I have a day that's full of carbs or sugar, it's basically the same thing. When I have a carb-loaded day before, I take that opportunity to use it up the following day, or even the next hour. Like if you eat at 6 p.m., if you can, go for a walk. If you can, walk in front of your TV. If you can, get a mini stepper and do some steps. Use up that glucose before it turns to fat. And if you don't get a chance to use it up right then and there, the next day you could just pause on the eating. It's called fasting. Use it up. If you do not use up those glucose stores, yes, it'll turn into fat. It's just that simple. So my face is washed. I'm gonna go get dressed for the gym. Ugh. When I tell you, my face is so puffy right now. I'm gonna do some gua sha real quick because this ain't it. This is not it, honey. Also, I'm restarting school today. I'm taking 4 courses, and I'll talk about that later, what courses I'm taking. If you are an adult student, the best tips for finally accomplishing your degree, because literally, ladies, since birth, I've been going to school since birth. You know, and I am 33 years old. I'm 33 and I have been going to school since age 3. That's wild. Like, Colleen, what are you doing? That's that ADHD. And I'm not trying to self-diagnose myself, but there are some things in certain people that line up with some symptoms that really explains why you are the way you are. Is it an excuse? No. But does it give you some insight as to how to maneuver life? Yes. I'm telling you, I'm never afraid of labels. I love labels. The more you know about yourself, the better you can do better. You don't have to beat yourself up. I'm this, I'm that. Be like, oh, I know I have this, so I should do that. That's how I see it. If you are just generally sad, you can't get the energy to be motivated through life, you're putting on a mask for people to pretend you're happy, and then you're diagnosed with depression, then you know that it wasn't just you, like you have a mental inefficiency. Like, now you can stop beating yourself up, get medication, and do better in life. Find out who you are, what you need, and do better. That's how I am. I don't walk around like, oh, woe is me. I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna deal with this and I'm not gonna tell anybody my problem. No, get your life. Get your life. If you don't like this, change it. You are not a tree. You can move. There's nothing that needs to be permanent in your life. All right, I guess, because I was just so puffy. All right, I gotta get ready. Okay, this is the gym fit. This top is from Temu, and these are some Amazon shorts. I'll link what I can find. I think I've seen this on Amazon as well. Just a little pink and purple action. Pretty nice, but it is a workout top. It's made of workout material. Ooh, I got some thigh gap action. Ew, 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 ew. I'm gonna grab my mineral maker. This turns water into mineral infused water. And I'm better than Bobby. Get some socks. And I have to take out the garbage. I'm actually gonna start with an apple cider vinegar shot to help regulate my blood sugar. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with some water. Pack my fanny pack. So this is my little YouTube Shorts fanny pack. Gold's gym card, Touchland sanitizer, wallet, my AirPods, baby lotion. I got an extra battery, house keys, and my phone. This thing packs an abnormal amount. I could even put my water bottle in here. Yeah, I could bring my entire water bottle. Yeah, this is awesome. Good for me. Ugh. Oh yeah, it's fanny time. These are my dirty ass sneakers, but they're so pretty. Look how cute they are. These are Adidas. I just really have to clean up my place as usual.
When you around me, treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, every reminiscence. Now I'm at your silent treat, that mean no permission. Missionary getting boring, switch positions. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no.
So I just finished body pump. Great workout. It's currently 10:20. Oh, my legs are quivering. If you could work out fasted, please do. The earlier in the morning or the day that you could do your workout, the better. Speaking of fasted, I am going to get my blood work done. I have a physical coming up and I've been meaning to do my blood work and I keep forgetting and drinking coffee with cream in it. So now that I'm truly fasted, I'm gonna go get my blood work done. I think I'm getting sick. It's not a tingle, but it's this like feeling, you know that? Yeah. I'm trying to think if I should shower first. I wanna get comfortable, and gym clothes to me are not comfortable, especially since I am like not my ideal size, we'll say that. I'm not my ideal size right now, so these things are like cutting into me. So I think I'm gonna head home, shower, and then go do my blood work, and then go collect my kids. My kids are at grandma's right now because yesterday was my son's birthday and he wanted to stay with his cousins who are at grandma's house, so I let him sleep over since it was his birthday. But I'm gonna go collect them all after I do my blood work, and we're gonna go to the park. I have some salmon I need to cook. It's been in the fridge for 3 days. I have to cook it. All that to say, Lego. Hey girl, hey. It's 12:55. I just did my blood work. Before that, I picked up my kids, dropped them with their dad so they could have a little celebration for their side of the family and such. Broken homes mean 2 birthdays, double the gifts. But if it were up to me, I would not raise any children in broken homes. It is not ideal. If you can work it out, please do. Fighting over pettiness and breaking up a home is just not worth, you know, what the kids go through. Unless it's like a really bad environment. And if it can't, it can't. Like if it's like domestic and abuse, like of course run for your life. But if it can be worked on, please do. Because ultimately we chose this person to procreate with. Mine was a physical issue, so had to go. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I could get my car washed. I'm wearing this all yellow outfit, by the way, and it is, people like it. Also, I'll tell you that people are liking this all yellow. My aunt actually got this for me from Primark. I've never worn a yellow outfit before, but not mad at it. Would you believe I got these stains on it from my perfume? I smell really nice, by the way. I'm wearing Versace Yellow Diamond Intense. It smells so nice and fresh. I'm getting sleepy. I have so many things I still have to do, so I'm glad I got my workout out of the way for the day. Like, that is such a great thing. I'm so happy I got that out of the way. Wash, car, school check-in are the 2 things I need to cook. I have to cook that fish and the vegetables. Cook fish and vegetables. It's time for me to eat though. I could still go on for maybe like another couple hours, and then I have work tomorrow. So there's that. So I have to go to bed early. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hot chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say yo, tell the girls I'm gonna meet her. 1 second thought that ain't the way to go. I gotta give a game proper, spit it to get it. Yes, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. You keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Just 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Now with the music it's moving too fast. Now my head is really tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Tell us something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. You're making me want to say oh. So you're trying to leave. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. So you told me cross the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. So you're trying to leave. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Full schools and 7 years later. Got some salmon, barbecue salmon, some instant mash, roasted broccoli and mushrooms, and some corn. And it is 2:55. I have been picking at the veggies, but I'm super hungry. Super hungry.
How negotiations went?
Yeah, they were fine. They accepted all my terms.
That's what's up.
So it's currently 6:18. I have been working my little tail off, getting the September challenge ready. So if you don't know, now you know. And I want to let you know that there is a Facebook ADF group. If you're looking for support, extra motivation, a group of people that are all on the same journey as you. The membership is over 14,000 strong. Amazing. It is free $99. All you need is a Facebook account and go straight to the group. You don't have to deal with anything else on Facebook. Just go straight to the group and get the support you need. I will leave that link down below, and I'll pop in here and there, of course. So I did that. I did my school check-in. I'm taking 4 courses this term in pursuit of my cybersecurity degree. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. If you're looking to get your bachelor's degree, I would highly recommend going to an adult school. Don't do like traditional learning. That's like, I almost got caught up. I wasted a lot of time doing traditional schooling. These adult colleges, the term is 3 months, and then you could enroll every month. Every month you could take more courses. So that's the wave, and plus my company helps pay for my tuition. Chef's kiss. What else did I do? I paid my rent, paid off some credit cards. So we were busy over here, and I also took round 2 of the salmon potatoes and roasted vegetables. Yes, I had a second plate. It was delicious and hydrated. It's 6:20 right now. My stomach is nice, but I'm going to end the day with something sweet. I have this. This is from Aldi. They're plant-based, non-dairy frozen dessert bars. This is the peanut butter one. I also have the caramel one. I got this because my youngest son, his stomach does not like dairy, and it is vegan. The peanut butter one is my favorite. It comes with 3 bars. What's the calories on this? So this whole box is 7. Why would somebody sit down and eat the whole box? Why would they even put that? That's so strange. If a serving size is 1 bar, then why would you put the... Okay. So yeah, my camera's gonna die. I'm gonna get ready for work tomorrow. Tomorrow is a big update in that blessing that is around the corner for me. So pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. And if all comes through, I will tell you what happened or what didn't happen, okay? So on that note, I'm gonna wrap up this vlog, and I thank you so much for being here with me. I'll eat my sweet treat, watch Insecure, and finish up the ADF challenge document. Make sure you check out the links in the description. It has so much information about me, what I'm doing, and what to buy, what to get, and downloads, what I like, all those things. All those things are in the description box. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.